What's up fam, my name is Cameron and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys this new iPhone SE that I bought. I got the 128GB product red edition, and the reason why I did get a new phone, if you guys do remember, I had the iPhone X. My iPhone X was just like kind of just dying on me. Like, I guess it's just kind of old, and the XS is already out and the 11 Pro is out, so you know those little rumors that Apple definitely tries to slow down phones once a new one comes out. So I just thought I'd go back to the older iPhone 8 looking body style, which I just love it so much better because you can fit it in your pocket easier than you could the iPhone 10 or the iPhone 11 Pro. Those just feel a little bit bigger, and so like, you know, when I'm just doing like everyday like going on a jog or something like that, this one is so much better because I can't even feel it in my pocket. And so I've already like started using it, so it's not really an unboxing but more just like a review of it. And so, of course, the things that come in the box, this red sheet that says like why product red is even a thing, and it's like to support HIV and AIDS. Of course, you got your welcome to iPhone, and then you got your how to unlock your SIM card tray, and then you got your stickers, of course, which are in the back. And so those are just the normal things that come in the device, and then you get like, you know, the circle, which is the charger, and then you have the block, and then you'll have the headphones on top of the charger. And so I've taken all that out, of course, already, but I really just wanted to talk about the phone itself. And so there's a lot of speculation about this phone. Some people say it's not good, some people say it's pretty good. I've had some people do like reviews on the speed test, and for me, this is just like the perfect size phone. You can just do everything with one hand. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't have like massive hands, so I don't have like the 11 Pro Max. And that one is just like super huge. Like my hand wouldn't even fit on it basically. And this one I can just do everything in one hand, which does take some getting used to going forward. But moving from the full screen iPhone X to the smaller size phone, it did take about a day to get used to it, but now that I'm already used to it, it's just like it hasn't even bothered me at all. It hasn't even fazed me. And so the back is like a glass back, so definitely try and not crack this if you guys do get it. But I just love the color of this one. Like the blood red just makes it look so amazing. So the battery life on this has actually been surprisingly good. So I had an iPhone 7 before I had my iPhone X, and that battery life died so quick. So I know exactly how you guys feel about it. This one actually lasted me like a whole day, which was surprisingly, because I'm just used to the small size. I'm like, okay, the battery can't be that good, but it actually is. Like I was using Snapchat, Instagram, like all the main social media apps like a lot, and my battery life sustained throughout the whole day, which was very surprising. This one right here was like 500 bucks. I'm doing the installment plan, so I think AT&T is running a special. It's like $13 a month, and you just like pay that off, and then once you do, you have the phone unlocked for you forever. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this honest review of the new iPhone SE. If you guys do get this phone, leave a comment down below telling me which color you're gonna get, which gigabyte. Like I said, I got the red 128 gig. 64 gigs is just not gonna cut it nowadays. 256 gig is just a little bit too much for what we do, since, you know, iCloud like takes over a lot of your stuff. But yeah, leave a comment down below. I'll see you next time. Later, fam.